What's up, guys? It's Dan from Dailey, back in the office, and if you haven't heard the news, I'm a new dad. And just like any new parent, I need your help. And since you can't help me with my sleep schedule or changing my son's diapers, the best way that you can help me is by buying some new doors and windows. I'm here today to offer you the Dan's a New Dad discount. What that is for the entire month of March here at Dailey Manufacturing, we're going to be offering you 10% off the total of your installation for some brand new doors or windows. Spring is right around the corner. We have some low lead times right now. We can get you brand new doors or windows just in time for that nice weather that's right around the corner. I need your help, guys. 10% off your entire installation for some brand new doors or windows here at Dailey. Get in touch with us online, give us a call, stop into our showroom, whatever works. We are here for the entire month of March. Again, help me out, guys. New dad, I'm struggling. I need your help. 10% off. Dan's a New Dad discount.